the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, Insta360 Ace Pro 2, Insta360 X5, Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360, and DJI Osmo 360 are the most popular GoPro alternatives of 2025. But which is the absolute best? We're going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we're going to compare them on the video quality category, which has a multiplier of 2. Starting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, I found its 4K footage at 120 frames per second to be incredibly crisp, with the D-Log M profile providing amazing flexibility for color grading my footage later, though its low-light performance, while good, does not quite match the clarity of some rivals, which is why I am giving it a 9.0 out of 10. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 really impressed me with its pure video mode, which delivered significantly clearer and more detailed footage at night compared to even the DJI Osmo Action series. And while the standard video is great, switching to the specialized mode is where it truly shines, earning it a 9.4 out of 10. Next up, the Insta360 X5 is a content creator's dream because the colors and exposure look fantastic, straight out of the camera, without any grading, however. I did notice some minor stitching artifacts and imperfections around lights at night, so for that it gets an 8.1 out of 10. Using the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition felt like a step up in pure image fidelity, as its large 1-inch sensors capture noticeably more detail and perform better in poor lighting conditions than smaller sensor cameras. But as a slightly older pro-consumer model, its feature set is not as refined as the newest releases, landing it an 8.5 out of 10. Finally, the DJI Osmo 360 delivers decent 360-degree video that gets the job done for casual use. But when I compared it directly to the specialized Insta360 models, its image appeared softer, and the stitching was not quite as seamless in complex environments, so it scores a 7.5 out of 10. So in the video quality round, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 takes the lead with 9.4 points because of its outstanding low-light performance using pure video mode. Next, we are going to compare them on the stabilization category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. Coming in at number 5, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro offers some seriously impressive rock-steady stabilization, smooths out most jitters, but I found it can introduce some unnatural artifacts on the highest settings, almost forcing me to use third-party software like GyroFlow to get that perfect, natural-looking footage without any ghosting. I give it an 8.0 out of 10. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has some great features, but in my testing, the stabilization felt a bit lazy, especially when coming out of turns where it was slow to catch up, creating a strange swerving feeling in the footage that its competitors didn't have, which was a bit of a letdown. For stabilization, it gets a 6.5 out of 10. At number 3, the Insta360 X5 uses its 360-degree capture to deliver some truly incredible and buttery smooth footage with its flow state stabilization, making it almost feel like the camera is floating. Though you do have to reframe everything in post-production to get that final stable shot. It earns a solid 9.6 out of 10. The Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 is a unique modular option, and its 360-degree stabilization is fantastic for reframing, providing super smooth results, although I felt it wasn't quite as rock-solid as the newer, dedicated 360 cameras when things got really rough. It gets a very respectable 8.8 out of 10. Finally, the DJI Osmo 360 delivered some amazing, well-stabilized footage that was almost flawless in most of my tests. But I did notice a very slight jitter in extremely low light that held it back just a tiny bit from perfection. Though for most situations, it's absolutely fantastic. I'm rating it a 9.2 out of 10. The Insta360 X5 takes the win here with a score of 9.6, simply because its flow state stabilization combined with 360-degree capture creates unbelievably smooth footage in nearly any situation. Next, we are going to compare them on the battery life category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro delivered some seriously impressive recording times in my testing, lasting over 150 minutes with its Extreme Plus battery. Though I did find that to get that absolute best performance, I had to rely on that specific, more capable battery. So for that, it gets a 9.2 out of 10. I found the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to be a reliable performer, consistently giving me around 100 minutes of recording time on its 1800 mAh battery. But while that is a solid duration, it does not quite reach the endurance offered by some of the top contenders in this lineup, earning it an 8.5 out of 10. When I used the Insta360 X5, its large 2400 mAh battery really stood out, allowing me to shoot in 8K for over 100 minutes without a problem. And its incredibly fast charging that gets it to 80% in just 20 minutes is a huge advantage. Although I noticed its standby power management was not as efficient as some others, so I'm giving it a 9.5 out of 10. The Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 provided just over an hour of continuous shooting at its maximum 6K resolution, which is exactly what the company advertised. However, this is noticeably shorter than its competitors, and I experienced some significant battery drain when the camera was powered off, which is why it receives a 6.5 out of 10. Finally, the DJI Osmo 360 amazed me with its efficiency, managing to last for a full 112 minutes while recording at 4K resolution and 60 frames per second on the same battery as its non-360 sibling, a truly remarkable feat for a 360 camera that earns it a strong 9.0 out of 10. With its massive battery that keeps it rolling for over 100 minutes at 8K resolution, and its incredibly fast charging, the Insta360 X5 takes the win here with a score of 9.5. Next, we're going to compare them on the ease of use and features category, which has a multiplier of 2. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a fantastic all-rounder, with its super bright front and rear touchscreens that are easy to see in direct sun, and an interface that's incredibly simple to navigate, but it lacks the flip screen versatility of the Ace Pro 2, which holds it back slightly for vlogging, earning it an 8.8 out of 10. Dropping into our number 4 spot, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is so intuitive with its massive flip screen. It makes framing shots a breeze and an interface that is genuinely fun to learn, though I found myself frustrated by the lack of any internal storage, which means you're dead in the water without a memory card, giving it a solid 9.3 out of 10. Our first 360 camera, the Insta360 X5, makes life incredibly easy by producing footage that looks amazing straight out of the camera without any grading, saving a ton of editing time, although its AI stitching can still show some weirdness if your subject gets too close to the seam line, landing at a 7.9 out of 10. The Insta360 1RS 1-inch 360 is a strange one, as its editing app is wonderfully powerful and makes reframing shots simple with cool features like object tracking. But the camera itself feels fragile with only minimal water resistance, and its modular design feels a bit clunky compared to an all-in-one unit, so it gets a 7.2 out of 10. Finally, the DJI Osmo 360 feels like a solid, if basic, entry into the 360 world from DJI, but its software and feature set just can't compete with the refined and mature AI-powered tools that Insta360 has been perfecting for years, leaving it with a score of 6.5 out of 10. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 takes the win here with 9.3 points, primarily because its huge, versatile flip screen is simply a game-changer for usability that no other camera on this list can match. Finally, we are going to compare them on the value for money category, which has a multiplier of 3. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an incredible package, giving you fantastic battery life that outlasts the competition, super durable and waterproof construction for any environment, and compatibility with a professional wireless microphone system, although I did find it a bit bulkier than other cameras I've tested, which is a minor trade-off for such a strong performance, earning it a 9.2 out of 10. I found that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a dream for creators on the move with its handy flip screen and incredible stabilization that keeps footage smooth, even on rough trails, but you'll need a lot of memory for its 8K video. And it feels noticeably heavier than the DJI Action 5 Pro, so for that, it gets an 8.5 out of 10. The Insta360 X5 is a real time saver, because its video looks amazing right out of the camera without any color grading, and its low-light performance is surprisingly clean, even though I noticed the artificial intelligence stitching can still show some imperfections if you look closely at the seams, which is why it scores a 7.8 out of 10. For those who prioritize raw image quality above all else, the Insta360 1RS 1-inch 360 delivers stunningly detailed video thanks to its huge 1-inch sensors. However, this power comes at a cost, making it much heavier, more expensive, and less water resistant than a typical action camera, landing at a 7.0 out of 10. Finally, the DJI Osmo 360 is a solid entry into the 360-degree world, offering good video quality and a user-friendly experience that DJI is known for, but it just doesn't have the cutting-edge features or the ruggedness of the other cameras we've looked at today, which makes it a decent value, but not a top performer. So I'm giving it a 6.5 out of 10. With its combination of durability, exceptional battery life, and top-tier features at a competitive price point, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes the win in this category with a score of 9.2. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro stands out with its score of 89.0. This camera excels with its durable design and advanced features, offering exceptional value for money. Its outstanding battery life keeps you filming for longer, while its top-notch video quality, complete with a variety of recording modes, enhances creative flexibility. Having used it extensively, I can confidently say it's a reliable choice for any adventure or creative project, making it the ultimate winner in this lineup. While the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro leads the pack, the other cameras certainly held their own. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 came close with an 85.4, impressing with its innovative low-light capabilities and user-friendly design. The Insta360 X5 and Insta360 1RS 1-inch 360, with scores of 84.05 and 75.35 respectively, Both offer unique features like incredible stabilization and image quality, catering to niche needs. Lastly, the DJI Osmo 360, with a score of 74.8, remains a solid entry-level option for 360 videography. Each of these devices offers something unique, ensuring there's a perfect choice for every kind of videographer out there.